a love like this before. Channel song, Faith Evans, never had a love like this before. This is an individual, butterflies, who may have come from a very troubled background. They may have come from a very dysfunctional family. No family's perfect, but there's something about their family lacking in regards to sharing emotion. So maybe they grew up around parents that never said I love you outwardly. Maybe they didn't feel the warmth coming from their parents. For some of you, maybe this person didn't grow up with parents. Maybe they don't have a close family unit. And this could have been due to maybe someone passing away in the family, or this person walked away from their old life in favor of finding a bright future for themselves. Maybe they left home. Maybe their family was very toxic and they were forced to flee. And, you know, they were met with a lot of disappointments, a lot of endings. And it seems so far-fetched to actually create the dynamics of a loving family. And this person just felt so isolated in this world. They have gone through many transformations. And what they were actually searching for was a place to call home. And someone to build that dream life with. But they thought that the way their life was going, you know, it never would have manifested that way. Maybe this person started going down a dark path in their life, you know, substance abuse and toxic relationships, because they were trying to escape their past. And their past had a way of allowing this person to feel like they were non-deserving of the best that life could offer. That's until they met you. You show them true love, the meaning of love. You made them feel a sense of peace. With you, they found a home. You are self-expressive. You are open. You are nurturing. You are kind. You are caring. You enjoy sharing. This person gets on with your family members. They have found a new family with you. For some of you, look at the baby there. They have created a family with you. Some of you have children with this individual. And for some of you, you have grown children. And now you have grandchildren. And because of you, you have given this person an opportunity to create that family life and that family dynamic that they always dreamed about, but they didn't feel like they will ever have access to it. This person sees you as a dream. Whenever they are with you, they feel like they're literally in a dream. Sometimes they have to think back to their past and think about how far they have come. They have never experienced this level of love before. They are filled with so much gratitude to the point whereby it makes them want to cry sometimes. How can they be so lucky? They have made friends with your aunts, your uncles. You know, this is the family they've always wanted. And they have it. And it was through connection to you. And for some of you, they've now created their own family with you. You're putting your children through school. You're working as a team. You're having Thanksgiving dinners. The whole family comes around. Christmas is a blast. Birthdays are a huge celebration. The family are in union. Everyone supports each other. They've never experienced this before. You've given this person life. Because before you, as mentioned before, they were all up in their head. You have included them. You have created a family with them. This means so much to this individual. For the first time, they feel supported, because for a long time, they felt trapped. Will they ever escape this feeling? Will they always be on their own? When will this loneliness stop? Not having any support. For some of you, this person was made homeless. They were kicked out. Everyone they connected with in the past only wanted to capitalize off this person. They were met with users. No one that really valued their heart. No one that took the time out to get to know them. You did. I'm hearing Whitney Houston, I want to run to you. So this person, they have so much loyalty for you. They've never felt this level of support, love, genuine care, loyalty. And not only that, you are their best friend. And they owe so much to you. They enjoy the outings that you take together, how you make them feel like the only person in the world, how they're able to communicate with you effectively, how you both have your own banter, how they will never get tired of listening to you speak. And they love the way you always are interested in whatever they have to talk about. And even if you don't understand what they're talking about and their interest, you're willing to learn. How you're patient with them. Understanding. Fun. How you're a whole vibe. You see, their loneliness was killing them, hashtag Britney Spears, but not anymore, because they now know that they can continue with this journey they called life with someone as amazing as yourself. They've never met a love like you before. And they don't want to try to, because I feel for some of you, sometimes you could feel like this is too good to be true. And you may feel like, will this dream end? What if I'm not good enough? What if, they decide to leave? No, they will never get bored of you. You stimulate their mind. You inspire them. They may not be an overly expressive type, but they look around and they look at you sometimes and think, wow, I really did this. Yeah, because spirit, made sure that they weren't counted out, because they may have thought at a time that, the universe counted them out with the cards that they were dealt. But now it's coming to this person's awareness that maybe those cards that they were dealt were supposed to be, because it led them to you. They love you. You are amazing. You are the best thing romantically to have ever happened to this person. They have never experienced a love like this before, with someone who is on their side, someone that is a team player, someone that wants to build with them, someone that invests in themselves, into their hobbies, into their craft, into their career, but someone who's also continuously investing in them, someone that wants them to win, someone that ain't going anywhere. So why would they want to let someone like you go? You're one off, man. Come on.